Okay. Good afternoon, students. So today I am going to discuss about just now biology KSET paper was completed. Today date is 28/8/2021. Just now the paper was completed. So I am discussing here. I am going to discuss here A2 code of question paper. So let us see what are the answers for these questions. Okay. So the KSET paper was very easy to moderate. Some few questions are little bit tough, that's all. Remaining all the questions are very easy. Okay, so finally the average, what we can say, the paper is below average paper. Okay, then now, so identify the correct statements. Kinetin is a derivative of adenine, which is a pyrimidine given. So kinetin is a derivative, adenine is, what you have to say, adenine is purine. So that this is, kinetin is a derivative of adenine only, that is right. So that this is pyrimidine is given, but adenine is purine. So that this statement is wrong. Clear or not? The technique of decapitation is widely used in tea plantation. In the tea plantation, to reduce the apical dominance, the decapitation process is widely used. That is correct only, the statement. Ethylene is a gaseous plant phytohormone. Yes, that is correct statement. The use of GA3 hastens the malting process in the brewing industry. In the brewing industry, gibberellins hastens, but that is given in the textbook, speed up given. Hastens or speed up, both are same. So that answer is ABA is growth promoter. ABA is growth promoter. So that statement is wrong. ABA is growth inhibitor. ABA is growth inhibitor. So that what we can say here in this, the statement, this is first option, this is fifth one. So that in that correct answer is 1 and 5. D, option D is correct answer. Option D is correct answer. Clear? So the next one, calculate the cardiac output of individual having 70 heartbeats with minute a stroke volume of 55 ml. So 55 ml stroke volume into cardiac output formula is what? Stroke volume into number of heartbeats. Clear or not? Stroke volume into number of heartbeats. What we can say here, it is stroke volume is given 55 and it is given how much? Number of heartbeats are given 70. So that answer is 3850 is the answer. 3850 is the answer. So calculate the cardiac output. Calculate the cardiac output, that is, answer is 3850. Then next, in a standard ECG, one of the following function is, its components is not correctly interpreted. P is contraction of only left atria. P is contraction of only left atria given. P is contraction of only left atria given, right? This is only left atria given. This statement is wrong statement. Here which one is right statement? We can say QRS complex is ventricular contraction, that is right, and T is the end of the systole, that is also right, and P is contraction of both atria, that is also right. Here the answer is, so here which of the following is identify, which of the following is here in standard ECG, one of the following functions of its components is not correctly interpreted given. So that this is option A answer. This is wrong statement. So that is the correct answer for this question. Okay, match the hormone of column with its functions and column 2. So column 1, what they have given, let us see now. Column 1, what they have given. In column 1, catecholamines given. Catecholamines are adenine. So sorry, catecholamines means that here what we can say, catecholamines opposite is stress hormone, we can take stress hormone is catecholamines. So the MSH, melanocyte stimulating hormone, the melanocyte stimulating hormone is important for pigmentation. This is for pigmentation. Melanocyte stimulating hormone is important for pigmentation. So this is MSH for pigmentation. And thymosins are for immune responses. Q, immune responses. Okay, then next one is melatonin. melatonin is for day and night sleep wake cycle, right? So melatonin is diurnal rhythms. So melatonin is for diurnal rhythms. So these are diurnal rhythms. So here what we can say is catecholamine stress hormone, MSH is for pigmentation, melanocyte stimulation hormone, and thymosin is for immune responses, and melatonin is for diurnal rhythms. So then here the answer is first option will come. In this option, fourth question, first option is right answer. First option is right answer. Then next one. The next one is how many microsporangia are located in the corners of typical bilobed anther of angiosperm? Typical bilobed anthers. So that answer will be 4 answer. So answer will be 4 and option will be B. So this is the typical bilobed anther contains, see in the corners there will be 2, here one, here one, here one, here one. That totally how many will be there? 4 will be there. That is the right answer. Okay, so 4 will be there, that is right answer. Next one is in bryophytes, pteridophytes, the number of male gametes produced in several thousand times the number of female gametes is produced, because male gametes always in biological classifications, in the biological systems, male gametes always produced more than that of female gametes. So in the bryophytes also it is correct statement, right? Large number of male gametes are fail to reach the female gametes during transport. Yes. So they are transported through water, so that their large number of male gametes are fail to reach female gametes during the transportation. So that is also right. So that in this, the bryophyta both statements are right. Male gametes are produced more number than female gametes, and some of the male gametes are wasted during the time of transport. Both statements are right. The next one is, here you see Caryopsis, they have given Caryopsis. This type of fruit name is called as Caryopsis. Caryopsis, where what will happen, this is fruit is, now if you see the fruit like this, this is given, okay, monocot seed. The monocot seed is given, this is scutellum. Answer is, here B is, sorry, this is B is scutellum. This is scutellum, and the C is given here, you see. So everybody is expecting here aileron layer, but aileron layer is not given. In the Caryopsis, what will happen? The fruit cover is, the fruit wall is very closer to seed coat. So that here the D is what we can say is, here the D is what we can say is, sorry, C is what we can say is pericarp. This is pericarp, wall of the fruit. This is what we can say is wall of the fruit, we can say. And next one is pericarp, scutellum, and D is coleorhiza. A is, now first of all let us see. This A is what we can say, A is coleoptile. This A is coleoptile. This A is coleoptile, and here this is given, the given one is the D. D is what you have to say, coleorhiza. This is coleorhiza. This coleorhiza is clear or not? Here this is scutellum, this is important, and this is pericarp. Why the pericarp here in the seed? Pericarp is the fruit wall, but in the Caryopsis, monocot seed, the fruit wall will be very closer to the seed wall. They cannot be divided. Seed coat cannot be divided from fruit wall. So that's why fruit wall is very closer to this. So that this is answer will be pericarp, right answer. Then the right answer will be first option, A. A coleoptile, B scutellum, C pericarp, and D coleorhiza. The next one is question number 8. Innermost layer of microsporangium is tapetum. Anther walls contains 4 layers. In the innermost layer is tapetum. That's right. And cells of tapetum possess dense cytoplasm, more than one nucleus, and nourishes the development pollen grains. Tapetum function is development of pollen, giving nourishment to the pollen grains. So that is also right answer, and it contains more than one nucleus. That is also correct one. So that both statements are right. Innermost layer of the microsporangium is tapetum. That is also right. And cells of the tapetum possess dense cytoplasm and more than one nucleus, and nourishes the developing pollen grains. That is also right. Okay. Then next question is the 9th question. Only one megaspore. See, if you see this during the time of megaspore formation. So this is chalazocide. this is Chalaza side, and this is micropyle side. This is micropylar end. So this is micropylar end. From the micropylar end, one male megaspore mother cell will be undergo some things like this. Okay, so then one will be from this side, 4 will be formed from the megaspore mother cell, undergo meiosis division and produces 4 megaspores. One, this is functional megaspore. This is functional megaspore. The functional megaspore is present towards the functional this is functional megaspore. The functional megaspore is present towards the chelazal end. The functional megaspore is present towards the chelazal end. So that is, and this is micropylar end. 3 will be destroyed. These 3 will be disintegrate. So these will be disintegrate. So they will be disintegrate. So that is the concept here. But another statement also they have given, 3 megaspores present towards the chelazal side, disintegrate, are dually given. But that is not chelazal side, that is micropylar side. So that this is another option. What we can say, chelazal, only 1 megaspore present towards the chelazal and is remains functional. That option is what we can say, only 1 megaspore present towards the chelazal and remains functional. That is the right option. 9th question. Then the 10th question, which of the following aquatic plant does not show pollination by water? Which of the following aquatic plant does not show pollination by water? Water hyacinth, pollination is taken place by insects. In water hyacinth, the color is purple color flowers are there. You can understand one thing, purple color flowers are there. So the color flowers are there means any plant. So that pollination will be done by animals. You have to understand. The next one is, in which of the following female gamete? Female gametophyte? So which cell of the female gametophyte is involved in the formation of primary endospermic nucleus? So this is embryo sac. Now if you see the embryo sac, this is antipodal cells, these are antipodal cells, and this is chelazal cell, and this is egg apparatus, and this is one. So 2 male gametes, 1 male gamete is fused with this, and 1 male gamete is fused with this. This results in the formation of zygote, and 1 male gamete. These 2 are male gametes. Clear? These one male gamete fused with egg and forms zygote. Another male gamete fused with central cell and forms primary endospermic nucleus. Primary endospermic nucleus is formed towards. So that answer is central cell is the answer. This is central cell. So that this central cell is fused with 1 male gamete and forms primary endospermic nucleus. Then next one is, the sperm cell is given like this. You can see the sperm cell is given like this. The sperm cell. So this sperm in the sperm cells, and this is middle piece is given like this. The middle piece afterwards the tail is given like this, right? So this is middle piece. The middle piece is given like this. This is middle piece. Clear? So the middle piece is what for contains micro, and this is acrosome. This is acrosome, helps in fertilization, entry of the sperm into, this is entry of the sperm into ovum, and this is nucleus, and this is mitochondria gives energy. Mitochondria gives energy to the cell for movement, gives energy to the sperm cell. It gives energy to the sperm cell. And now this part is what we can say tail. This part is tail. Tail is only for movement. Clear? So the direction, tail gives direction. So these are the 3 functions already given. The second option, A helps in penetration of sperm into ovum, and B provides energy for the movement of the sperm, and C helps in movement of sperm. So helps in movement of the sperm. So provide energy for movement of the sperm is B, and C is providing helps in movement. That's all. So that is 12th answer is B. Next one, the 13th one. Let us see mammary tubules. See then mammary tube is, see here mammary glands contains mammary duct. Sorry, mammary what we can say mammary lobe. Mammary lobe contains mammary. This is alveoli. From the alveoli, mammary alveoli, what will come? Mammary alveoli, afterwards mammary tubules, mammary tubules gives rise to mammary duct. Mammary duct, many mammary ducts are together forms, mammary ducts together forms, these many mammary ducts together forms what? Mammary ampulla. So that mammary ampulla is afterwards, this is mammary ampulla, this is mammary ampulla. Mammary tubule and mammary forms mammary duct forms mammary ampulla. So that this is, correct answer is mammary alveoli, mammary tubules, after that mammary duct, and finally mammary ampulla, last lactiferous duct. Okay, then next, okay, then next one is under the influence of oxytocin, which layer of the uterus exhibits strong contractions during parturition? So myometrium. Myometrium is muscular layer, so myometrium undergoes contraction. Okay, so then next one is select the incorrect statement about the contraceptives. They regulate the regular requirements for the maintenance of the reproductive health. Okay, and they have the significant role in checking the uncontrolled growth population. So they are regular requirements for the maintenance of the reproductive health. That is wrong statement. So intrauterine devices are regularly not required, right? So that is the only right answer in that place. Means what they have asked incorrect statement. So that the incorrect statement in that question is, in the reproductive health, to maintain the reproductive health, the IUDs, contraceptives are regularly required given. So that is wrong. The method of directly injecting the sperm into ovum is called as ICSI. ICSI, intracytoplasmic sperm injection. ICSI, intracytoplasmic sperm injection. So next one is what next? Aneuploidy. Then see, aneuploidy, loss of chromosomes. Aneuploidy given, and next one is monoploidy, aneuploidy, monoploidy, polyploidy, and next one is diploidy, polyploidy and diploidy. And this said increase in whole, okay, set of chromosomes, increase in a whole set of chromosomes. Okay, increase in a whole set of chromosomes. And next one is loss or gain of chromosomes, given, loss or gain of chromosomes, and two sets of chromosomes given, and next one is a single set of chromosome is given. We know already, very simple question. Diploidy means two sets of chromosomes, and aneuploidy means loss of chromosomes, monoploidy means a single set of chromosomes, polyploidy means increasing whole set of chromosomes. Polyploidy means increasing whole set of chromosomes is called polyploidy. Increasing whole set of chromosomes is called polyploidy. So then next one is, what else? 18th question, let us see. Genotype IA and IB. See, this is IA and IB. So whenever it is crossed with IA and I naught. So then this is what we can say here, gametes are IA and IB. Okay, and this is here gametes are IA and I naught. Okay, then this is IA will be formed, and next one is IA I naught, and this is IB and this is IB and I naught. So that here these two are what we can say, sorry, these two are what we have to say. This is A and this is B and this is AB and this is B. So that here there are four types of genotypes are there, four genotypes. So that your answer is four genotypes and three phenotypes. Four genotypes and three phenotypes. Clear or no? So that is concept. Four genotypes and three phenotypes. Okay. Next one is autosomal trisomy, and this is what possible. See, for example, AB and heterozygous AB and heterozygous same is IA and I, Heterozygous B means IB and I. So if these people, what is the possibility blood groups for the children whose parents are heterozygous A and B for blood groups? So this is IA and I. Here this is IA and I and IB and I. Clear? So that here this is IA and IB and this is IA and I and this is IB and I and this is I and I. So that here these are the total. So that here there is a chance of all the type of blood groups. There is a chance of all the type of blood groups. Understanding or no? There is a chance of all the type of blood groups. Here, whenever the parents are heterozygous, homozygous heterozygous A and heterozygous B, there is a chance of all the type of blood groups. There is a chance of all the type of blood groups. Clear? Then next. Autosomal trisomy example. Autosomal trisomy example is Down syndrome. Autosomal trisomy, 21st trisomy. So this is 21st trisomy. So that autosomal trisomy is Down syndrome. Illosomal trisomy is what? Illosomal trisomy is either Klinefelter syndrome. Illosomal trisomy is Klinefelter syndrome, and illosomal monosomy is what? Illosomal monosomy is Turner syndrome, and next one is cystic fibrosis. Cystic fibrosis is a Mendelian disorder. Cystic fibrosis is Mendelian disorder. So Mendelian disorder. So this is cystic fibrosis in Mendelian. This is the right one. So that here option what we can take is 1 for S and 2 for R and 3 for P and 4 for Q. So this is answer. So correct answer this is. Right, autosomal trisomy is Down syndrome, allosomal trisomy is Klinefelter syndrome, illosomal monosomy is Turner syndrome. Clear? The next one is, which among the following characters are selected by the Mendel by pea plant recessive character? Selected by Mendel in a pea plant is recessive character. One is inflated. Inflated means full. Inflated means full or full pod. Inflated full pod. So this is dominant character. And green color pod is dominant character, and the white color pod is not a dominant character. This is a recessive character. A white color pod is a recessive character. This is, you can see, white color pod is recessive character, and axillary flower is, and this is also a dominant character. This is also a dominant character. So that this will be the correct answer. Okay. So this is, see, this is, and these are so here these are all dominant, and these are all dominant, and these are all dominant. Okay, and recessive is only one. White color flower is the recessive one. White color flower is the recessive one. Right? Next, the next one is, the next one what we can write is Griffith. Griffith is for transformation principle. And Jacob and Monod law cooperant. Griffith transformation principle. And next one is Jacob and Monod. Jacob and Monod is for lac operant. Mendelssohn and Stahl is for DNA is genetic material. DNA replicates semi-conservation method. And Hershey and Chase is DNA is genetic material. Jacob and Monod lac operant. Second P answer. Second P is present in only one option. That is Second P is present in one option, that is third option. Okay, Jacob and Monod is log operand, Griffith and transformation, Mendelssohn and Western DNA replication, Hersey and Chase DNA is genetic material. And next one is a tRNA. If you see a tRNA, if you see, this is the structure of tRNA. This is the structure of tRNA. Clear? This is the structure of tRNA. So this is anti-codon binding loop, and this is amino acid. This is 5' to this is 3'. 5' to 3', and this is amino acid binding site. Amino acid binding site is present at amino acid binding site at 3'N. So amino acid binding site at 3'N. So this is amino acid binding site is present at 3'N. Right? The next one, E. coli is fully labeled with N15, is grown in N14 medium. Okay, N14 medium. The two strands of DNA molecules of the first generation bacteria have same density but do not resemble with the same parents, and same density but resemble with their both parents. See here, this question is little bit tough question, can be said to be in this question. It can be said to be this is the tough question in this paper completely. If you see this is N15, this is N15. So N15 medium, this is N15. Now let us take this N15 and N15 E. coli DNA. This is DNA of E. coli, and this is kept inside. This is kept inside N14 medium for the one generation. In the generation, what happens in the N14 medium? This will be, the two strands will be separated like this. Whenever the two strands are separated, what will happen? They form new strands. The new strands contain N14 medium. This is N14, and this is N15. This is N15. Okay, this is N15. So the answer is what we can say here. These two strands are having different density. They are having different density. These two are having different density, but same resemblance. So this answer is they are having the different density, because this is density is high and high here. But here one strand is high, one strand is low, one strand is high, one strand is low. But sequentially, they are having the same sequence. Both of them are having same sequence. So that here what we can say, different density but the same resemblance is the right answer, can be taken here. Okay. Next one is question number 25. Experimental involving use of radioactive thymidine detect distribution newly synthesized DNA in the chromosome was performed on which plant? Vicia faba. Vicia faba is the right answer for this question. Vicia faba. And next one is here another one more thing they have given: ATC, ATG, CTT, CCGAAT given. So this is one sequence they have given from here 3' to 5' they have given. Here 3' to 5' given means what you have to say, mRNA, the mRNA will be 5' to 3'. mRNA will be 5' to 3'. Here mRNA A means T has to come, but T won't be there. So that this is A, and this is C, and this is G, and this is A, and this is A, and this is G, G, C, and U, and this is T means here should come what should come? A. U, A. So this is UAC, GAA, GGC, and UUA. This is UUA, right? UUA. So this is, now here two options same given, so that here 5' we have to take, and 3' option also given, but this 3' option is wrong. Same option with 3' given, because here 3' is there, here we have to take 5'. Here 3' is there means here 3' we cannot take. This is 5' onwards is right answer. Next, pneumonia is caused by Streptococcus pneumonia and Haemophilus influenza, both answer. Pneumonia is caused by pneumonia is caused by Streptococcus pneumonia and Haemophilus influenza. Pneumonia is caused by Streptococcus pneumonia and Haemophilus influenza. Both will be the answer. So answer C will come. Right. Next one is development of quick immune responses and infected with deadly microbes by administering the preformed antibodies is passive immunization. Ready-made or preformed antibodies, if you use, that is passive immunization. And next one is, which of the following is most feared property of malignant tumors? The most feared property of malignant tumors is metastasis, because they will move from one place to another place. The metastasis is the most feared property. And identify the technique. Which of the following is most feared property of malignant tumors, metastasis? And identify the technique useful in detecting the cancer's internal organs. Identify the techniques useful for detecting the cancers of internal organs. Answer is all of this. Okay, so CT, computed tomography, and MRI. Okay, now, so then next one is radiography, and all of these are CT, MRI, and radiography. All these are what we can say answer. The next one, which among the following is the source of drug which is native to America? Which is native to America is coca, erythroxylin coca. Erythroxylin coca is correct answer for this question. Next one, the technique is biogas production was developed in India is KVIC and IARI. KVIC and IARI both. KVIC and IARI both. And which among the following products or microbes is not obtained from the fungi? See, in this, if you see, penicillin is obtained from the fungi and statins obtained from the fungi, Monoascus purpureus, and Swiss cheese, Propionibacterium shermani, that is only bacterium. Cyclosporin A, Trichoderma polysporum. Right, all these are answer. Swiss cheese is right answer. And cyclosporin A. So cyclosporin A, what we can say? Cyclosporin A is immunosuppressive drug. And next one is streptokinase. Streptokinase is what we can say, blood cholesterol lowering. Streptokinase is clot bursters. And next one is statins. Statins are cholesterol lowering agents. And next one is penicillin. Penicillin is what we can say antibiotic. Penicillin is antibiotic. So this is answer for this question. Next one is Taq polymerase that obtained from PCR, that obtained from Thermus aquaticus. Taq polymerase is obtained from Thermus aquaticus. Next one. So this is ROP, generally present in this case. If you see, this is ROP is present in PVU. This is ROP is present in this place. This is BAM, H1 and SAL. Then this is PVU, so PST, and this is here also, this is PVU1, this is PST, and so this is PVU1. ROP is this one here, it is ROP is contains PVU answer. This is PVU1 is, so PVU2 is answer, this is PVU1, so this is PVU1, this is PVU2. So PVU2 is correct answer for this question. Next one is rapid antigen test RT-PCR in coronavirus 19 in PCR molecular diagnosis stands for polymerase kinase. So COVID-19 virus PCR molecular diagnostics tool stands for polymerase chain reactions. And next one, which of the following diagnostics tool is detection of very low concentration of bacterium virus in amplifying their nucleic acid PCR? And the silencing of a gene could be achieved through the use of both antisense and shortening RNAi, and alpha-1 antitrypsin is used to treat emphysema. RNA1 is used to treat emphysema. Silencing of the gene could be achieved through use of short interfering RNA and sense RNA both. Next, identify the correct statements for the following. Cuscuta is chlorophyllous endoparasite, wrong. Then next one, the human liver fluke needs only one host, that is also wrong, because it needs, Cuscuta is chlorophyllous endoparasite. Cuscuta doesn't have chlorophyll. Cuscuta is a parasite on plants. Then next one is the human liver fluke needs only one host to complete its life cycle. Snail and the fish both are required. The life cycle of endoparasite is more complex due to their extreme specialization. This is right answer. Only 3 is right answer. During the course of evolution, host bird eggs have evolved to resemble the eggs of parasite given. Host bird will not be modified, parasite bird will be modified. So that this statement also wrong. So that the life cycle of endoparasite is more complex due to their extreme specialization. The next one is Calotropis cardioglycosides. Calotropis is cardioglycosides, cardioglycerides. Calotropis is cardioglycerides. And Pizasters, starfish pizasters are invertebrates. The invertebrate, this is the top pizaster, right? And next one is a monarch butterfly. The monarch butterfly is distasteful. And next one is frogs. Frog is cryptically colored. So these are what we can say. This is concept. So that is next one. Small mammals and birds are rarely found in the polar regions because they have larger surface area relative to their volume. So next one, small mammalian and birds are rarely found in polar regions because they have small surface area relative to their volume. That is answer. Smaller animals are having larger surface. Okay, then next one is identify the incorrect statements. Camp plants close to their stomata during the daytime. Right. Seals have thick layer of fat to reduce the body heat given. This statement, see, here ambiguity question, this is seals have thick layer of fat. Seals have thick layer of fat to reduce the body heat given, not for the reduce the body heat, to hold the body heat. It is insulate, it acts as insulator to prevent the body heat loss. So that loss is to reduce the body heat loss of body heat. There the loss word is not there. Okay, so that this statement is also right. And here it is, lizards bask the sun during the winter, that is right statement. And tribes living in the high altitudes have the same RBC given. Here in this question, okay, see is thick layer, this is not for reduce heat. So this is right only. This statement is wrong statement. And tribes are having the same RBC given. Tribes have same amount of RBC given. So this is also right statement. This question contains totally 2 statements. So that what they will give answer. Finally, let us see. I think this question is both 44 question of this one A2 is C and B and D answer. B and D both will be. So these 2 statements are wrong statements. So this is wrong statement and this is also wrong statement. 2 wrong statements given, so that you can see which one will come. Either B or D will come, right? Next one is population size keeps changing, depends on the different factors such as food availability, predation pressure, adverse weather. All of these is the right answer. Speciation is generally a function of time. That is right. Tropical environment is less seasonal, relatively more constant and predictable. That is, tropical environment is less seasonal. That is right. And solar energy contribute to high productivity. That is also right. temperate regions have maintained relatively undisturbed for many years is given, that is wrong. So that only 4 is wrong. Only 4 is wrong. Temperate regions have remained and relatively undisturbed for millions of years. That is wrong one. So then next one is this statement, log S equals to species area relationship log C plus Z log A. This statement is for clear understanding. That is for statement species area relationship. And next one is narrow utilitarian law. Narrow utilitarian law is what we can say is receiving benefits like food, medicine, industrial products. And next one is broad utilitarian argument is conserving the biodiversity for major ecosystem services. And ethical one is every species has an intrinsic value of moral duty to pass our biological legacy to the good order to future generations. That is what you can say is ethical. So that 1 is R, 2 is Q, 3 is P. So this question answer is 1 is R, 2 is Q, 3 is P. Next question is 45, question 49. Cryopreservation. See, all of which of the following is advanced in situ ex situ conservation? Cryopreservation, plant tissue culture method, seed banks, in vitro fertilization. All of these are out of 4. All of these are advanced techniques of conservation. Right, and contagium vivum fluidum is given by infectious living fluid is given by Beisering. Identify the odd one. Eustilago is odd one because Eustilago is smut. Eustilago belongs to basidiomycetes. Remaining all belongs to basidiomycetes. And remaining all what we can say, remaining all Alternaria, Coleototrichum, Trichoderma polysporum, all are belongs to Deuterophycetes. The plant body having hold fast type and the character is Laminaria. Laminaria is having the characters like that. Identify the correct statement regarding the class Aves. 4 limbs are modified into wings and in limbs are modified for walking and swimming. Heart is completely 4-chambered. There are homeotherms. They are oviparous and development is direct. All of them are right. All Aves characters, all of them are right. Development is direct, not indirect. Okay, development is direct. And epigynous flower. What is epigynous flower? Let us see. The epigynous flower is, now if you see this, so this is thalamus and this is ovary. Okay, this is thalamus and that is ovary. The flower comes from this place. Like this, so that here this is inferior ovary. This is because inferior ovary. So this is flower is what kind of flower? This is epi. So that is the flower is what kind of flower? This is epigynous flower. Epigynous flower. Epigynous flower. This is present on the top of the ovary. So that the epigynous flower is right answer. So then this is the epigynous flower is inferior ovary is right answer. And next one is following type of junctions are not found in the animal tissues. Loose junctions are not there. So loose junctions are not there in that. Next one is a bacterial flagellum is composed of filament, hook and basal body. Filament, hook and basal body. Filament, hook and basal body. It is completed, right? Next. The filament, hook and basal body is the answer for this question. A bacterial flagellum is composed of filament, hook and basal body. Then next one is trypsin enzyme. Trypsin is an enzyme. And next one is GLUT, glucose utilization and transportation, protein 4. Glucose utilization and transportation. The next one is collagen is intracellular ground substance, intracellular ground substance. Collagen is intracellular ground substance, and antibody is antibody. What we can say, the antibody in this, what they have given, an intracellular ground substance works as an enzyme, fights against infections. FIGST, fight against infectious agents. Fights against infectious agents. Clear? That is one answer, right? That answer is 1R2S. Okay now, so this is correct matching. Trypsin enzyme, glut for glucose utilization and transportation, collagen intracellular, and antibody fights against infection. Fights against infection. Right? Next one is synapsis. See, this is synapsis happens in synapsis. This order is correct. Synapsis afterwards crossing over. This order is correct. Synapsis afterwards crossing over afterwards chiasmata. Chiasmata forms in diplotin stage. Chiasmata afterwards terminalization. This is terminalization. So this is terminalization. This is correct order of this, because this is zygote phase. This is packet in diplotin diakinesis. Clear? So that is terminalization. 58th question. And next one is 59th question. Let us see in this statement. Then the 59th question is what we can say, PEP carboxylase is not found in C3 plants, because PEP carboxylase is unique enzyme for C3 plants. PEP carboxylase is not found in that, right? The next one is, here you can see mitochondrial matrix. Mitochondrial matrix. The mitochondrial matrix. In the mitochondrial matrix, what will happen? Krebs cycle happen. Mitochondrial matrix Krebs cycle occurs, and cytoplasm. In cytoplasm, what will happen? In the cytoplasm, what will happen? Glycolysis occurs in cytoplasm. Clear? The next one is F0 and F1. F0 and F1 is ATP synthesis. F0 and F1 is ATP synthesis. F0 and F1 is ATP synthesis. And next one is intermitochondrial membrane. Intermitochondrial membrane is what we can say, electron transport system. So this is correct option for that. Okay, so this paper I think all of you done very well. Thank you.